Hey guys, it's Tony. I did want to make a really quick video. It turns out that the eviction ban just came out. It's official news from KTLE5 from LA, and it's official news from the White House. I double checked. The eviction is actually going to resume across the U.S. It's not going to be going through the White House anymore. Not going to be going through Biden. The SEC is not going to be able to block it. So officially, through all the states within the U.S. Every single one is now going to be able, every single landlord, and anybody that's renting, anybody that's not paid, everybody is going to be able to be evicted as of tomorrow, I'm assuming, or as of right now. It looks like it already passed, and the eviction ban didn't actually go through, and it seems like we're going to be. It's going to be interesting. Tomorrow is definitely going to be interesting. Monday after the weekend is definitely going to be interesting, especially also tomorrow with Jay Powell talking about there possibly being. I don't want to say there's going to be the tapering is going to start, but it's definitely more and more of a possibility as soon as because if they're releasing news that an eviction ban that the eviction is not going to be impose anymore, that it's being banned and people can actually start getting evicted, that just kind of shows you how how the Supreme Court and how the government feels about the recovery in the US. So this definitely lets me know that if Jay Powell speaks tomorrow, there's an even bigger chance now that tapering of the stock market or of the funds, of the bonds, of everything, all the purchases is going to be either being cut back by a lot, or I don't want to say it's gonna stop, but I think it's gonna be probably cut back. So super insane news. It's gonna be a very, very, very interesting trading day tomorrow. I'll see you guys later.